know, you only used to get information from TV and newspaper. And those had somebody you call an editor. If them tell lie upon you, you could appeal to them and say, no, this.
Welcome back to another one again. Yeah, man. Yes, my peeps. And today we are talking about Dr. Andrew Wellness. Yes, man. I mean, I tell you, say, it seems like him fed up, or the pressure is on, or something. We don't know. I mean, I tell you, no peeps, the man I talk about a bag of lie. What go on social media, both through Instagram, through TikTok, and all of them. Believe me, my people, the man say a bag of propaganda has spread, and too much good things there where them do. We talk about, can you believe? Yeah, man. Dr. Andrew Wellness, man, the man say too much things there. We talk about much achievements. We talk about and people them a use the internet for a bag of different things. You see, it's supposed to be a thing where you link your friends and family and chat, but other ways it gone to a different angle. People start take you show some kind of things like a bad mind. You don't know. Man saying can't bother with them thing there. Them thing they are hold him back. Stress him out. Bug him out. And all them cause these things. Believe it, my people. But as a Prime Minister, you should know. Yes, my peeps. And believe it, man. Yeah, man, believe it. Prime Minister have a whole heap of things to go through. No surprise. By the time if you come out of this, he grew up white like flour, stressed out, and hole in him clothes. Pants and shirt a drop off of him. Believe it. Yeah, man. But I am to know, say, we focus on people them. And can't watch the internet. Because internet never been beaten. Yeah, man. And no matter what you do, now what you say, people them are going to always talk. Mr. Andrew Wellness, doctor. Yeah, man. People them are going to always talk. They always do them thing. They always say them thing. They will criticize you. Wicked. Yeah, man, especially when they end up on the opposite party. Yes. But them not really come out for that. Just come out and I make you know, say, don't worry yourself, man. Just do your thing. If you lose, try save yourself and save your health. And if you win, save yourself and save your health. Remember people them. It's all about the people them. Yeah, man. Yes. Them put you in. So you have to think for them. All the way, all the way, all the way. And as me say, the internet never beaten. Can't beat none at all. Just remember, even if you come for that, you still have to take on new things and new things and new things. This is not the end of it. Yes. So big up yourself, the people. And all the time, big up yourself to check out Yardman TV news and entertainment. Yeah, man. And want more like this? Just check me out, you know. Like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think. Anything you thought that good or bad, no matter. Yeah, man.
You only used to get information from TV and newspaper. And those had somebody you call an editor. If them tell lie upon you, you could appeal to them and say, no, this not go so. But now, you have something called social media. Now, granted, you know, the social media mean that it was for fun to connect you with your friends and have fun. But somehow, you have some bad mind people who turn it into anti-social media. They use it to tell lies, spread propaganda, and bring down people. There are a lot of unsuspecting people who anything them see, them believe. Anything them read, them believe. And a lot of people now, they're on TikTok. How much people they're on TikTok? I watch live. How much they're on Instagram and YouTube? Absolutely nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Get your information. But you have to know that not everything them tell you is true. You can be misled. And that is why you notice that the Labour Party is not taking any chance. We call our workers together and we are having our meetings right across Jamaica because you cannot rely on the traditional media or the social media to carry your side of the story. You cannot rely on them either to carry the facts. We, as the political organization that represent you, we have to bring the facts to you. And I have told my political party that we must not add to the toxicity. You ever hear that word yet? When something toxic means it poisonous. We must not add to the poison, the lies, the falsehood. So all of my members have strict instruction not to try and trick the Jamaican people with lies. The reason why, we take this view is that we have too many achievements to go and manufacture a lie. We don't have to manufacture a lie. We don't have to come to you and give no propaganda. We have achieved so much as a government. No other government in the history of Jamaica can go to an election and face the people with achievements. No other government.
Yes, my people. Yeah, Dr. Andrew Wellness have worry over people and worry over social media and worry over what them have to say. Yeah, man. So, people, they not look a problem like him. Nobody worry yourself and stress out yourself and go have strokes. And me if you tell you, yeah, man. So, big up on yourself all the time. Yeah, man. And you hear me, I big up Dr. Andrew Wellness. You can big up Marky G, same way. Alright, it was Dr. Andrew Wellness now win. And a Marky win. You hear me, I big up the Prime Minister, same way in another vlog. And it will be across the other side of the fence. Yes, a blog way a blog. Yes, sometimes people talk when I go so. But me try to just hold a reasoning and hold a vibes. And a reason we don't know face to face, one to one. Yeah, man, because I swear again, bag of vibes and bag of propaganda. Yeah, man. No work, we just go and share and talk about things that happen out there in the public. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, Yardman TV News and Entertainment. One love overall. Boom.